Hi everybody, it's Barisa with you today. I would like to share with you this recipe, very popular, and I'm sure everybody like to eat and everybody like to make. This one, look, spring roll, and we make with the rice paper and some vegetable and chicken. So first of all, I just show you something. Oh, sorry, I was supposed to make the mask and for face and for eye, but I have several people requested me to do the spin roll because they like my spin roll. They heard about it and they say long time also we didn't have a chance to eat spin roll. So then I said, okay, I try to do this weekend for you so that you can see and you will make. Okay, when you go to buy rice paper, this is the rice paper, okay? You can ask for or look for it with the picture frying spring roll, not the picture of the sandwiches, because with the sandwiches become difficult to fry and not very crispy. Okay, so you can do also with the pastry if you like. Okay, but today I'm doing the original classic rice paper. This Vietnamese is very famous spring roll. So you see, you need 100 gram of chicken mince and each kind of vegetable about 50 gram. Okay, so this is you need carrot, right? Here, carrot, cabbage, onion, black fungus, water chestnut, and vermicelli. You see, this is water chestnut. You can buy the one that is slices. It's in the can, okay? It's so like this, see? And you need to chop it. You chop very thin like this. See? Then later we do the fine chop again. And the black fungus, but make sure everything is dry. Okay? Because we don't want any water. After we mix, we don't want to be soggy. Because when you fry, if it's very soggy, it's not good. As also the vermicelli, you need to chop. Because this is like kind of noodle, you know. This is mung bean noodles, very healthy. It's very nice to eat. And the onion, make sure after scrape the onion, you can use this machine, you know, to mince everything if you like. But today I do all the chopping to show you, so that make it easy for everyone to can do it. Your student, a student, or anybody have machine, have no machine. If you need only a knife and a chopping board. You see, to do this. So just fine chop, okay? Fine chop. Okay, just like this. Before that, then put them all together. It's very easy, you see. Simple. I chop it and make it ready so we save the time. You see now? Looks so good already. smell of everything. Okay, so what we do, we put all in the bowl, just one, okay, here. Okay, so what you do, all this kind, you need 3 egg white. This is salt. We can put sprinkle a little bit for the chicken because they need, and then the rest you put here. Half teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of the vegetable seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic, chopped, fine chopped, and half teaspoon of black pepper. Yeah, all together there. See, simple as that. Then you can still mix this. Look little, but we can make many spring roll, you know. After you mix them good, you take 1/3 of this vegetable, sharing. See, 1/3. 1/3 for the chicken, okay? So we make the same, 200 gram and 200 gram. Mix well here. You can do with the mint box and also with the prawns, very nice. I like the prawns, but you know, my family, they don't like so much the seafood. So mostly I make, most of the time I make chicken. See? So what we do, now finish, yeah? Now, we can keep this in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. Simple as that. I put in the fridge, okay? So, after we will prepare to make the glue, because rice paper we need to stick them together. You know how to make this? We call it glue so that it's easy to understand and easy to make. Half teaspoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of water, and 2 tablespoons of coconut milk. Okay? So you mix them well, keep it in the microwave 30 seconds. It turns out like this. See? Yeah? Like a smoothie. And then while preparing this, when this 2 hours finish, I show you, I just make it and show you. You can divide, you can put in a, you know, a tray or square place. You divide, because I have made some, so this is the rest of it. So we don't want to wait for 2 hours. So you divide like this. These are vegetable and this is chicken, okay? So we make this. Then, before you start to make the rice paper, okay, you wet the rice paper, you turn on the stove. Put it in a very low. By the time you finish the 5th roll, spin roll, you can turn into medium. Now, we will make, you know, you use the brush and you make this. Okay, this is one. You do 3 at the time. The pastry is more easy. But remember one thing, there's a 2 sides. One side is little rough, another side very smooth. Same thing with the pastry, you put the smooth side down, okay? And so 2, and then free. See, it's so simple, right? So if you make this in advance, suppose if you have many visitors coming and you want to make in advance 1 day or 2 days before, because the day you have visitor you'll be busy. What you do, you can make many and freeze, put in the frozen. You freeze them. The time you want to fry, you take and you fry directly. Put all fry, okay? Don't wait to defrost or don't wait, direct from frozen. And then now, you see here, why I show you, because this is so easy. You make all same size for this, right? Same side. You make this side. You now see this one. You turn like this. One. See here. Turn and this one, and you turn this side. You leave a little room, okay? You leave a little room so that, because when you fry, this spindle will expand, become bigger a little bit. So you see, that's it. You roll and one. Then you take the next one, same, because when you do 3, they get ready quickly. And then take, okay, 2. See, easy, yeah? Very easy and easy to make, easy to eat, easy to make, delicious to eat. See, leave little room. See here, right? And roll. See, hold your hand firm and try to turn, become a little bit round. See, so easy. Yeah, just like that. Okay. Then you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But if when you make the chicken, you make all the chicken fry together. You make the vegetable, fry all vegetable together. Don't. It's up to you to mark which one is chicken, which one is vegetable. Okay? I normally make 2 shapes. One shape little square, another shape is very round. You see here? Yeah, just like that. So simple. Yeah? So when you fry, then you take the 5th one, you turn to medium. Okay? Medium. But I'm not going to fry today because I did before. I just want to show you. See here? They're like this. It's so nice. But one thing you need to remember, this is top secret for spring roll. You fry, but don't fry completely ready to eat. It's about 70%, okay? The rest, you remove from the oil, keep it down, cold. Before you eat, you fry again. The spring roll become very crunchy, very crispy. That is secret. In the restaurant, all do like this. Remember I told you, we used to have restaurants, so we make many. When customer come, put fry. You see that become like that. And you can eat with lettuce, some vegetable. You wrap like you eat Peking duck. Similar like that. That's the way. Deep in the sauce. This is fish sauce. We make with sugar, lemon, or vinegar, you know, and chili, garlic like it. Some of the time I show you how to make this sauce, okay? Today just keep all for this. See, now another thing I want to tell you. I think that I have told you the next video we will do the mask, okay? So remember one thing, yeah. When you fry the 6 spring roll first time, have you ever made or you have done it several times? Just try to take care of this 6 spring roll because you make with rice paper, they burn very quickly, okay? So you turn the low and then you remove. I usually put in the air fry after that. Before it, I use the air fry, turn it for 360, fry on high, and then fry more for 3 minutes. After ready, they have no oil. at all. Just like like dry it, not fry. And for health, sometimes we eat it, we put in this, spray little or just brush little oil without fry. It's very good, but more delicious deep fry because after that you will live and you eat it, no problem. You don't eat this every day, but delicious. Okay, so I hope what you like I share with you. And those who request me to make the spring roll, enjoy and do good job. I'm sure you will make very, very good and share with everybody. Okay, thank you for watching and I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye bye.